Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I've got this small package. Now I believe this is a Pocket Pikachu, and if you guys don't know what that is, it's basically a Nintendo's version of a Tamagotchi, and you feed your Pikachu and grow it and that sort of thing. So I got this off eBay. It was £2 and it was listed as faulty. So I'm not really sure what to expect from this. I probably won't be able to fix it. I might be able to fix it. I've got a replacement battery here. This is a car battery. I believe it's the same size for what this uses. And then I've also just got a Phillips head screwdriver, which came with my DSI housing. Alright guys, so here it is. Nicely bubble wrapped. The condition of it looked okay, so that's why I bought it, and it was so cheap. I believe these things are actually worth a bit of money. So, as you can see, the condition of it is actually pretty good. They said it just doesn't turn on at all. So, they said they had it for a while and they just haven't got around to testing it, and they just can't be bothered, so there's a few marks on the screen there, but nothing too bad. I mean, the screen can be replaced if there is replacement ones on eBay. But the general housing actually looks in pretty good condition. This is the Japanese model, so if I do get it working, you guys will see that it's all in Japanese. Just says Japan right there. So this here, I believe, is the battery compartment. So just a small Phillips screwdriver. So I'm just going to remove this right now. So there you go. That's that. This bit here looks like it has just a small clip. Oh, okay. Oh, there's not even a battery in there. I was expecting there to be like a really corroded sort of battery. It does look like there's a bit of corrosion on the contacts there, but I might be able to sort of scrape that up a bit. Anyway, let's just give it a try with this one I've got here. So this is just like a car key battery. It should be enough to power this, I'm pretty sure. So it should just slot in this way. I'll just put a cover on for a second. Oh, okay, we've actually got some display on the screen. Let's just, what am I supposed to do? Oh, it's actually working. What? Well, that was unexpected. There you go, you can see Pikachu right there. Oh, so this must be the time or something. Oh no, what am I doing? Oh, that must be the on and off button. No? Is it cut out? Oh, Pikachu's asleep now, right. I really don't understand what's going on now. Can I... No, I'm not sure what that's called. It actually works, and it's the colour version, so it actually looks really nice. If this was backlit, that'd be amazing, but I think it's working fine, and maybe I'm just pressing the wrong buttons. I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to be doing. Well, that was quicker than I expected. I really didn't think this thing was going to work. So it's listed as faulty. They said they had no idea if it worked or not, so they just listed it as faulty. The condition of it's really good. It's got a little IR port up here as well. And yeah, that's actually really nice. So I guess that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.